Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this automatic soap dispenser. Shout out to this company for sending this to me for free to unbox. So let me show you. Touchless dispenser brings your family a clean and healthy life. The first one in the world wild. So little typo over there. I'll show you the packaging. So it's the lid part and it's compatible with different bottle sizes. So wide compatibility. And you attach this lid to have automatic soap dispensing. So this one is for liquid. Liquids only, looks like. Another typo over here, it's supposed to be specifications. All right, let's do this. All right, so that's the manual. Some more instructions, it looks like. Some Q&As. All right, here's the product. Pull this clip open. Oh, need some screwdrivers, it looks like, to put in the batteries, so I'll have to put in batteries later. Looks like some assembly, some tubes need to assemble together. Some silicone tubes need to assemble. And some adapter lids, it looks like, for different sized bottles. Yep. Yeah, these are adapter. So yeah, shout out to this company for sending me this to unbox. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos, and hope you're all doing well. Hit me up if you want me to unbox your products on my channel. Thanks everyone, hope you're doing well. See you next time, bye.